Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi S3 Saloon PSS Tronic. It comes dressed in the sleek Navara blue, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 43,140 miles. Rolling on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5-arm wing design, turning heads wherever it goes. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. And showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S-embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Going into maps to help you easily find your desired destination. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. And in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below with the 2-zone climate control to choose which temperature you both prefer, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12-volt charging point. You have 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, the MMI display control pad, and just underneath the armrest with the Audi phone box with wireless charging. This approved used Audi S3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.